everyone, and welcome again to Mom and Me Digital and our South Africa is Lekker community. Hi, Mom,
Hello. Greetings from Belito.
and greetings from, I was going to say sunny Joburg, but it's been like overcast weather today. So, from overcast Joburg, hi. So, today, guys, we're going to be discussing 3 advantages of joining our school community. SA is Lekker. So, you want to stay to the end because number 3 is a game changer. Number 1 is connecting with people from South Africa all over the world. And we actually have people inside our community from London and from Ireland. Tell us, how's that? That's so awesome. And what do you think about that for our community?
Well, taking that we've just started, I think I would like to have pins all over the world.
Yay!
But it will come, it will come. It's for me, it's just amazing to think that we can connect with people and connect on people with a different way. This is totally different than what you get on your social media. You can go and search anytime anyone's name and you know exactly what that person posts. You can go back, you can go search for stuff. It's totally amazing how we can actually now learn from others and support others and laugh with others and right across the world. I love it.
Oh, I love it too. And then number 2 is our charities. That's something close to Mom and I's heart. Mom will elaborate on the charity because that's definitely something close to her heart as well.
I can just say that this weekend was awesome. We had Lose Our Kiddos. That's a charity organization that we support. We had their year-end function, their Christmas party. And I tell you what, first of all, it's the first time that I drove out there on my own, and you drive in between these sugar plantations and up the hill and down the hill and in the valley and up the valley. It was totally amazing just to see where these people live and then to see how they live. I was so shocked and blown away. We are so privileged. And then when we arrived there, the kiddies all come running to me, give me a hug. It was so nice. And those smiles when they got their presents from Father Christmas, it was just totally amazing. And it just made it all worth it. And to think that through this community, we can support charity. What a blessing. What a blessing. In South Africa, all you have to do is just join because part of the money goes to charity.
And number 3, drum roll please. This is awesome, you guys. You can actually earn an affiliate commission by inviting others to the community. How freaking awesome is that? By just connecting with fellow South Africans from all over the globe, we can actually earn an income by referring others.
And to think that you can join for as little as $3 per month or $50 for a year, mind-blowing. Awesome. It's all about the numbers. It's getting those people in. It's getting South Africans to join. I think we would love to see 1,000 people and then 5,000 people and 10,000 people. And would it not be nice to be one of the biggest school communities?
Oh, yes, and compete in those school games, right?
Yeah, so if you want to make an extra income before Christmas, join school and get those family members to join. You see, that's a good idea. This can be your Christmas gift. Tell them, I know what I want for Christmas. I want to join school and let them actually enroll you.
How cool is that? That's such a nice idea. Today, I'm sharing with you guys and with Mom. I actually had a call with one of our team members, who's one of our ladies inside our community, also part of our SA is Lekker community. And we were brainstorming some ideas because I said to her, SA is Lekker is not just my community and Mom's community. It's our community. So guys, if you've got any suggestions or tips, drop them below because it's our community as fellow South Africans. So how awesome is that?
I love it.
So guys, like and subscribe and go and join our SA is Lekker community. The link is in our profile. And mom, have a wonderful day further.
I want to say one more thing. Beg, borrow, or steal. Get that $3. Enjoy.
Enjoy, guys. Bye, mom.
Bye.